Okay, I'm going to share my iced chai latte recipe. It's kind of similar to the Starbucks one, but it's at home. So anyways, I'm just gonna drizzle some salted caramel around in the glass like this. I'm making two, one for me and my husband. Then I put some ice to your desire in your cup. Then you're gonna pour this mixture. It's the Tazo chai latte. And I'm actually running out of this one, so I brought another. And you're gonna do it about halfway. This one's not quite halfway. About halfway, and then I'm gonna do oat milk, just milk of your choice. This is the oat milk I use. Half iced chai mixture, and then put in a little bit of oat milk. I'll probably do a little bit more. And then I have a couple of syrups. Let me show you what I have. Okay. These are my syrups. I've got brown sugar, cinnamon, French vanilla, classic, caramel. You pick your poison. I'm gonna go in with, nope, not that one's not even open. I'm gonna go in with the vanilla and just like a splash, you know, like not much at all. Perfect. Now for the cold foam on top, you literally just mix some heavy cream with that milk of your choice. So this is the oat milk, and you're gonna froth it. Like so. And then pour a little on top. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. Take your straw. Give it a nice swirl, and that's it. That's pretty good.